Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to share your screen on Discord Mobile. So let's start it. When you open up your Discord app, choose a server that you want to share your screen with. So for example, this is my own server here. And then you want to go here on these voice channels. You can add or you can go here on this general. So all you need to do is tap on this join voice right here, the green button. And as you can see, the voice chat is now active. You can see the other options below. But to get the screen share option, just swipe up. You can see the little dash above the chat icon. Just wipe up, and now you can see the share your screen option here. Click on it, and a message shows up saying start recording or casting with Discord. So all you need to do here is just tap on the start now button. There we go. The screen share is now turned on. Just click stop sharing to stop, and that's it. That's how you share your screen on Discord Mobile. So if you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video. We'll catch you in the next amazing video.